Hi friends, welcome to Garden of Beautiful Life. So I am back with one more video. This is going to be a garden update video regarding my strawberry plant. How have I grown my strawberry plant from scratch? So I've used seeds in my growing my strawberry plant. You could see that the fruit setting has already started. The little fruit is coming up and a flower is also there. So both the flower and the fruit setting has started in my strawberry plant. It took me around 80 to 85 days to reach to this stage. The most important thing about strawberry plant is its soil. Always make sure that the soil is towards the moist side. And I've used these seeds which I have bought from Amazon to grow these strawberry plants. So if you want, I can put a link of these seeds in the description box, but I would recommend you to buy a sapling from nursery or any other store, because growing from seeds at least take 80 to 85 days, which is a very long period. Rather than better is getting saplings and then planting it in your home. Apart from that, I have used 5 inches of planter to grow my strawberry plant. So strawberry generally has shallow roots. It doesn't need a very deep planter, but make sure at least you use 5 inches of the planter. You can even use that rectangular pots which comes. Apart from this, the fertilizers which I used for strawberry were only organic. I have used vermicompost and cow dung manure for strawberry plants. So the quantity and how I have given and in what intervals I have given to my strawberry plant, I am definitely going to make a video on that. And I am also going to make a video on step by step how to grow strawberry plant. And do let me know in the comment section if you want to know anything else about strawberry plant. Apart from that, one more thing you have to take care of strawberry plant is its sunlight. Yes, so if you live in a very extreme hot place, then you have to keep your strawberry plant in sunlight for 1 to 2 hours, and then you keep it in a cooler place where partial shade comes and the bright light comes. But if you live in a place where the weather is quite pleasant and cool, then 4 to 5 hours of sunlight is enough. So I live in Bangalore, so I keep my strawberry in sunlight for 4 to 5 days. So this was it. I will be back with another video.